Welcome to this video on how to raise an inquiry about an incorrect grade on the Results Enquiries portal. You shouldn't raise a results inquiry for an incorrect grade until you have checked your school or college's second late results file, which will be shared on the Key Stage 4 Autumn or the 16 to 18 Autumn Checking Exercise portals. The second late results file will contain information based on the data received into the department from awarding organisations between the 2nd of September and the 31st of October 2025. Please do not raise an incorrect grade results inquiry until you have received and checked your second late results file in November, as we continue to receive remarks from awarding organisations daily. If you do raise a results inquiry for an incorrect grade before you have checked your school or college's main results CSV file, first late results CSV file, and second late results CSV file, you may be adding an unnecessary burden on your school or college, as the correct grade should be provided directly to us from the relevant awarding organisation. If you do raise a results inquiry for an incorrect grade before we have shared the second late results CSV file, we may not process these until later in November. From the main page, click on Raise a New Results Inquiry. Click on Incorrect Grade and click Save and Continue. You will then be asked, does this affect the whole cohort? If this does affect the whole cohort, you only need to tell us about one affected pupil or student. If it doesn't affect the whole cohort, you will need to raise individual inquiries for each pupil or student affected. In this example, we will select No. Click Save and Continue. If you have both Key Stage 4 and 16 to 18 data, you will then be asked to select which key stage you would like to raise a results inquiry for. In this example, I will select Key Stage 4 and then click Save and Continue. You will now need to select the pupil or student you wish to raise an incorrect grade results inquiry for. Click on the radio button next to the pupil or student you wish to raise the results inquiry for and click Save and Continue. The results for this pupil or student will now be shown. Please select the qualification that has an incorrect grade and click Save and Continue. Select the correct grade from the drop-down and click Save and Continue. You will now see an additional comments box. This is optional, but if there is anything you'd like to tell us, please write it in this box. Then click Save and Continue. You will now see a summary of this inquiry. Please check the details are correct. If you need to change any information, please click the Back button. Once you are happy that the information is correct, please tick the declaration and click Save and Continue. You will receive an email confirmation of your inquiry. This confirmation should be kept for your records in case you have an inquiry about this in the future. If this confirmation email has not been received within 24 hours of the submission of your school's results inquiry, please check your junk or spam folders. If the email confirmation is not there, please double check you have submitted your results inquiry correctly on the portal. If your results inquiry has been submitted, you should see it listed in the previous inquiries page once you have logged in. If you still do not have the confirmation email, please contact the CYPMD helpline, who will be able to escalate your query. The next video will show you how to raise a results inquiry about a qualification that does not belong to a pupil or student.